I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Camry side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement mirror assembly for your specific Camry model. Always prioritize safety by turning off your car and engaging the parking brake before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now let's get to removing the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. You'll need a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, locate the electrical connector for the mirror and carefully disconnect it. Finally, use a socket wrench to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe, as you might need them. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure it firmly in place. Don't over-tighten them, but ensure they are snug. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. This step is crucial for features like power adjustments and turn signals to function correctly. Before you finish, test the new mirror. Turn on your car and check that the power adjustments work correctly and any integrated turn signals illuminate. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap back into place and the panel sits flush. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.